In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram carousel reels in Luma AI. Think of this as building a carousel in motion. Instead of static slides, you're creating a series of short AI-generated clips that viewers experience like swiping through a story, but as a seamless reel. Start by planning the structure. Map out a simple narrative with a strong hook, a reveal in motion shots in the middle, a detail moment to keep interest high, and a final call to action. A common flow looks like this: an attention-grabbing opener, 2 or 3 scenes that reveal or show the action, a feature highlight, and then a closing frame with your CTA. Each of those moments will become its own clip in Luma AI, so you know exactly what you're generating before you start. Next, generate each slide as a separate short video in Luma AI Dream Machine. Aim for 5 to 7 clips that are 3 to 5 seconds each, so the reel feels dynamic but never rushed. For your hook, try something like dark cinematic scene with glowing energy particles forming a mysterious silhouette of a product, dramatic lighting, slow zoom in, suspenseful mood, high-end commercial style. For the reveal, a prompt such as a sleek energy drink can slowly emerging from smoke, neon blue and red lighting, cinematic camera orbit, ultra-realistic reflections. For motion focus, use energy drink rotating in midair with glowing electric energy waves, floating particles, smooth slow motion, futuristic background. For a detail shot, go with close-up macro shot of metallic can surface, light streaks moving across it, cinematic depth of field, premium product advertisement style. And for the final CTA, hero shot of energy drink standing on reflective surface, glowing aura expanding outward, dramatic lighting, commercial advertisement ending frame. Keep visual consistency throughout so it truly feels like a cohesive carousel. Maintain the same lighting approach, such as neon, studio, or cinematic. Stick to a consistent color palette. Reuse guiding keywords like cinematic, commercial, and futuristic to keep style and mood aligned from clip to clip. When your clips are ready, download them and stitch them together in your preferred editor, whether that's CapCut, the Instagram Reels editor, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Arrange them in story order from hook to CTA. Add smooth transitions like zooms, blurs, or swipes. Layer in text overlays for each slide and light sound design. Subtle whooshes and bass hits go a long way. To sell the carousel feel, insert brief pause points between clips, about 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. Use slide-style transitions and add on-screen text such as "swipe for next scene." You can even simulate the swipe motion with motion blur transitions for that signature carousel vibe.